Brenda Grant here. Just figured I'd send you a quick video. It'd be easier for you to understand, make sure we're on the same page. Alright, so for the trees that are coming out is the trees, this tree, and this tree, and there's also another little crab apple over here. So I believe there's 4 trees in this area that are coming out. Alright, actually this tree too, so those 4. This area here, this area in here. Now Eddie mentioned that there's some possible ledge or humongous boulders. If our machine can't move those, right? And if we did move those rocks, we would probably end up moving them like in this area. We use plywood, put plywood on top of the ground so we don't mess up your lawn. And then move them as decorative stones in this area. That makes the most sense. It doesn't make sense trying to take them off the property. Okay, so our process would be plywood so we don't mess up the existing lawn. Remove this, remove a lot of the dirt, because you'll notice these beds are raised. They're raised above the level of the lawn. So we're going to end up having to dig out a lot of the dirt that's there so that when the lawn's installed it's level. Okay. Remove all the wood chips. Remember, that was one of the problems we had why the sod didn't really take that great, is because the wood chips release a gas that prevents sod and grass from really doing great. So if you decide to hire us to do it, we're going to do more of a thorough job on removing all the wood chip grindings from the stump grinding company. One second, let me pull this back here. Alright, so, and then maybe we can remove these rocks. If we can't remove the rocks, then the rocks are going to have to stay in place, and then we're going to have to look at option B, which is adding a smaller bed, landscape bed, around those rocks. Okay. The other tree that Eddie talked to you about was the white pine tree in the front. That tree again should come down, creates a mess, and then sod that area as well. So I have measurements of all these different areas. So I'm going to send you a detailed proposal, and I'm also going to send you this video. So then this way everything's coordinated and there's no miscommunications. And here, this is the circular area in the street. It's roughly 47 feet in diameter. The smartest thing, rather than trying to create lawn in there, is we weed whack it down like 1.5 to 2 inches off the ground. Then spray weed killer. Spray weed killer that has preventative chemical in there to try to help prevent it in the future. Then we put down wood chips or mulch in this area. So that was the idea for that area. Okay. And then in the future, you still have to let me know, because I know we did talk about possibly quoting you replacing the trees behind the pool. I think that was something else that was high on your priority list. So let me know if you want us to jump on that for you. So I'll send this to you right now. As soon as you give me a feedback, then we'll get over there in the next like 2 to 3 days, and we'll get done whatever you want done. Obviously, the tree work's going to have to happen before the sod project is done, but I know this is a high priority, so if you want us to split up into 2 projects, that's fine. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.